Have you ever wondered why it's important to take care of your teeth and gums? Sure, having a bright smile makes us feel confident and attractive. But did you know that there's so much more to it? Welcome back to our channel, where science meets daily life. Today, let's explore the fascinating world inside your mouth. And get ready because what you're about to learn will change the way you think about oral care forever. Your mouth is not just for eating and speaking. It's home to millions of microorganisms, many of which play a critical role in your overall health. In fact, researchers are now realizing that the health of your mouth can impact everything from your digestion to your immune system and even your mental well-being. Think about it. Every time you eat, you introduce new bacteria into your mouth, and as you swallow, those bacteria travel down your throat and into your stomach, where they help break down food and absorb nutrients. But that's not all. Your gut bacteria also produce substances that influence your mood, energy levels, and even your sleep quality. Similarly, problems in your mouth don't stay in your mouth. When your oral microbiome is out of balance, it can lead to bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease. But it can also contribute to digestive issues, autoimmune disorders, and even mental health problems. If you've ever struggled with bloating, constipation, or other digestive issues, for example, there's a good chance that your oral microbiome is partly to blame. That's because when the bacteria in your mouth are out of balance, they can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Certain strains of bacteria produce toxins that make it difficult for your body to digest certain foods. Other strains can trigger an inflammatory response in your gut, leading to discomfort and bloating. So by taking care of your mouth, you're not just preventing bad breath and cavities, you're also promoting good digestion and reducing inflammation throughout your body. Likewise, a healthy oral microbiome is essential for a strong immune system. When your mouth is full of good bacteria, it's much less likely that pathogens will take hold and make you sick. In fact, studies have shown that people with healthy oral microbiomes are less likely to develop respiratory infections and other illnesses. That's because the good bacteria in your mouth compete with pathogens for resources, making it hard for them to survive. Plus, they produce substances that strengthen your immune system and make it more effective at fighting off infection. Finally, a balanced oral microbiome is essential for good oral and overall health. So, what can you do to support a healthy oral microbiome? Well, for starters, you can avoid using harsh chemicals like alcohol and SLS in your mouth. These ingredients are found in many popular toothpastes and mouthwashes, and they do a lot of damage to your oral microbiome. Alcohol, for example, kills off good bacteria and creates a dry mouth, which makes it easier for harmful bacteria to take root. SLS, or sodium lauryl sulfate, is an antibacterial agent that's commonly used in toothpaste. But it can also cause irritation and inflammation in the mouth, which can disrupt the oral microbiome. Instead of relying on harsh chemicals, try using natural alternatives like xylitol, a sugar alcohol that's been shown to support a healthy oral microbiome. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that's found in many sugar-free candies and gums. It's also been shown to prevent tooth decay and promote remineralization, making it a great alternative to traditional sugar-filled snacks. Plus, it tastes great and has a cooling effect in the mouth that helps keep it feeling fresh and clean. Remember, your mouth is a complex ecosystem that plays a critical role in your overall health. By understanding how to support a balanced oral microbiome, you can improve your oral health, boost your digestion, and strengthen your immune system. To learn more about how to support a balanced oral microbiome, check out the link in the description below. It's a great starting point for anyone who wants to take a more mindful approach to their oral health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week exploring the latest in health and science. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.